Crypto trading once meant spending endless hours analyzing charts, stressing over unpredictable price movements, and constantly second-guessing every decision. Today, traders across Canada are embracing Vortex Valor, an advanced AI-powered platform that removes the guesswork and emotion from trading. Vortex Valor uses cutting-edge artificial intelligence to monitor global markets 24/7, instantly react to market news, and automatically adjust trading strategies in real time. This means smarter, faster, and more accurate trades than any manual method could achieve. Full access to Vortex Valor, including premium features and an exclusive welcome bonus, is available only through the official link below. Availability is limited, so don't miss your opportunity to be part of the new era of automated crypto trading in Canada. Canadian users are reporting more confident decisions and improved results. Vortex Valor replaces emotional, panic-driven reactions with automated database strategies. During volatile market conditions, the platform continuously scans market signals and adapts your trading plan instantly, so your decisions are always grounded in logic, not fear. With over 150 built-in AI strategies including arbitrage, DCA, and grid trading, Vortex Valor offers flexible options for every skill level. Whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced trader, the platform adjusts to your personal trading style. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to track your portfolio, analyze performance, and make adjustments anytime, from anywhere. Security is a top priority. Your funds remain safe on trusted exchanges such as Binance, Kraken, and Coinbase, all connected through secure API integrations. Vortex Valor never holds or controls your funds. You retain full ownership at all times. For those new to crypto, a risk-free demo mode is available so you can explore the platform without any financial pressure. Access to all of Vortex Valor's powerful tools, strategies, and bonuses is only available via the official link below. Space is limited, so act quickly and take control of your crypto trading journey today. Join the growing Canadian community that's redefining how crypto is traded, with confidence, automation, and smarter results powered by Vortex Valor.